The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kent County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Dickens County in northwestern Texas, southern King County in northwestern Texas, northern Stonewall County in northwestern Texas, until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Jayton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm was also located 16 miles north of Aspermont, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Ping pong to golf ball size hail was reported in Jayton. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aspermont, Jayton, Peacock, Old Glory, Swenson and S380 near the Haskell-Stonewall County line. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Texas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.